In this video, learn 5 game-changing trading lessons from our best trading day perhaps ever, Bitcoin related, learned by studying traders on our desk. I'm Mike Bellafiore, and we're one of the top proprietary trading firms located in New York City since 2005, and now Miami as well, and proud to have developed numerous 7 and even 8-figure per year traders. Watch, take notes, and learn from pro traders on our proprietary trading desk so you can grow your trading account. Learn from our best trading day ever. We had our best trading day of the year and maybe ever at our prop firm. It's a thrill to experience trading days like this. You feel like you're the king of the world for days with a smile plastered to your face. It was Bitcoin related. By studying historic trading days, you become a much better trader. We will share 5 trading lessons from our best trading day ever learned from studying traders on our desk to help you grow your trading account. Trading lesson number 1. Your best day ever is the result of the consistent, effective work you did prior. Let me introduce a rising star at SMB for an invaluable lesson for you. Brandon S. has been on our radar at SMB Capital for years. I think he may have interned with us when he was after his freshman year in college. We've been predicting greatness from him since his junior internship many years ago. After a particularly promising day from him, he sent us a daily report card. And this daily report card from Brandon S. was after, not just a promising day, his best day ever. After his best trading day ever. He's in his first year of trading, but after his best trading day ever. And he wrote, I just want to say that today marks a huge milestone by being my first 6-figure day. It's honestly surreal to see the growth and progress that has taken place. 9 months ago, Jeff Holden, head of trader development, sent out an email congratulating me on my first 5-figure day. So crazy to think that I've now reached my first 6-figure day. And we're super happy and proud of Brandon S. So he sent this out to younger traders, mentors at SMB. One of them is at the one Lance B, who wrote back, you have long been one of the most detailed trainees in your work. That's fueled your growth. Congratulations on an impressive day. We're excited at SMB to talk, hopefully in the future, more about Brandon S. and to see just how good he can become. But there's a lesson here for you. There's trading lesson number 1. Your best day ever is the result of all the consistent, effective work prior, just like Brandon S. did. The NFL confirms practice dictates your future success. Let's hear from former NFL quarterback Andrew Luck on why your practice is the key to your future success.
There's a romantic notion I held growing up, that you rise to the occasion, you rise to these great moments. And I certainly think that's true. You watch great athletes, great folks doing things like they're going to show up. But I think something that is as much true is you settle to the level of your training. You settle to the level, what your habits are. And that I really internalized that at Stanford with how we practiced. I mean, practice had a sense of urgency, had pressure. There were stakes at practice. I mean, it was competitive. If we wanted to go out and compete on game day, it wasn't a flip a switch and go. We learned to compete.
Trading lesson number 2, obsess on how you could have done better. Let's hear from one of the best active traders in our space ever, Shark, to learn this lesson. So I checked in on Shark to congratulate him after a huge day trading this Bitcoin related opportunity. A day where he put up over 7 figures in trading profits. And so I was expecting to be pretty happy and in a great mood, and I probably should have known better. So I chatted him and checked in on him and congratulated him. And he chatted back, thanks, but I butchered the AM today. Overall, not thrilled. I would have made 5 million yesterday, probably, and made some atrocious mistakes today. As you can see, Shark is not happy with his results. He immediately points out how he could have done better and should have done better. The best traders obsess on how they could have done even better. And that leaves us with trading lesson number 2. Obsess on how you could have done even better. The best traders obsess on how they could have done even better. Let's hear from a rising star, Max, on his trading day. So I reached out to Max like I reached out to Shark, congratulating him. Max shot back. The hedge trade was a little shaky off the open, hit some, but didn't size that 495 turn, and that was a mistake. Would have thought I could have made 2 times while sticking to tight rules. Notice Max was not satisfied with his performance. Notice, like Shark, he immediately responds with how he could have done better and should have done better. This was a common theme at SMB when checking in to get the reaction after my congratulations from the traders who had huge days. Trading lesson number 3, trading culture matters. Casey is in his first year of trading at SMB, and he had his best trading day ever on this Bitcoin opportunity. I ran into him at the elevator heading out for a little snack, a little protein bar. You could see the disappointment on his face waiting with me for the elevator to head down. It was all over his face. You could feel it standing next to him. I was actually almost a little bit uncomfortable for him that he was clearly frustrated, not satisfied. I can see him standing there and I can feel what he was feeling like. And he, as we were talking, he lamented how he could have made so much more if he didn't exit as early as he had in this Bitcoin opportunity. He lamented he should have been more aggressive when the clear breakdown was present. So as you can see, the trading culture set by the star traders like Max and Shark rubs off on the first year traders, the junior traders, who immediately obsess about how they could have made more. They're happy, but not satisfied. They know they could have done better. They expect to do better. They do the work. Imagine being in a culture that high-fived after a best day ever and then went home. Now imagine being in a different culture where traders acknowledge a new best day ever. They're happy, but not satisfied. But then they obsess on how they could have done even better. What culture do you want to be in? What culture would help you become the best trader you could be? And honestly, what's the point of doing this if you're not going to try and be the very best trader you can be? What's the point of this? The point of trading is to push yourself and challenge yourself and embrace the very difficult job of trading to find out just how good you can be, measured by your P&L. That's the point of this. Why would you ever accept not trying to become the very best trader you could be? SMB culture and 8 principles. You're meant to do something great. You can be better tomorrow than you are today. One good trade, one good trade, one good trade. And I should note, these 8 principles are set in murals that hang on the walls at SMB for all of our traders to see every day. When you see it, swing the bat hard. Don't let your swing trades get in the way of your swang trades. Traders trade, investors invest. Trading is done better together. Trade well, give back. Why culture is important. Peter Drucker, founder of modern management theory, said, culture eats strategy for breakfast. Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, said culture is not just one aspect of the game, it is the game. Steve Schwartzman, CEO of Blackstone and author of one of my favorite books ever, said the key to success is to focus on the culture of the firm and the people who work there. And Ray Dalio of Bridgewater, one of the most successful hedge funds ever in the history of hedge funds, said the most important thing is to have great people who share your values and principles. Trading lesson number 4, building from your best day ever is being on the right path. So this was the advice that I gave to Casey standing by that elevator. This is the advice that I had to give to other traders at the firm who had made personal bests, had had huge trading days, who were happy but not satisfied. They were not satisfied. And I said to them, look, you were in it. You were in the trade. You were in the Bitcoin related trade. You experienced the trade. You did make a new personal best in P&L. This is a good place from which to build. This is certainly better than you missed it. This is certainly better than you missed it or you didn't make a new high in personal P&L. I said to them, be specific and intensive in the review so you make more next time. This is how you get better at the pro level. And I said to them, take comfort that you're on the right path. Bella's secret sauce to growing as a trader. Here's my formula for you guys to think about. Number 1, be in it. Number 2, put up that new personal best. Number 3, identify how to make more specifically with entries, exits, and size. Collaborate with a younger trader and a like-minded trader and a better trader on how to make more from this trading opportunity. Number 5, archive the setups in a playbook for your trading database. Number 6, be excited about the new personal best. Be confident and excited about the opportunity to be even better next trade. 7, appreciate your trading journey. This is not the easiest job you've all signed up for or are trying to reach for. And finally, be confident you are on the right path. Trading lesson number 5, let the trade hit you right between the eyes again. Often when traders spot a huge trading opportunity, we ask them to be patient. We coach them not to get too excited. We mentor not to force trades. We counsel, let the trade hit you right between the eyes. You're on your trading desk. You know there's a big opportunity coming. You're watching your screens and you just see it. You see the breakdown. You see the time to get short. It's crystal clear what you should do. It's patently obvious it's time for you to get short. There were lots of moments before this big moment. There were lots of moments before this see it moment, but now it's here. It's fallen into your lap. It's hit you right between the eyes. Almost always, and we study these big opportunities, almost always, the big trade in the big opportunity hits you right between the eyes. You just have to be patient, observe, not exhaust your risk before the true setup. And then pounce, swing the bat hard when it appears. In this Bitcoin related opportunity, there was a huge opportunity in a Bitcoin related stock, MSTR. Fascinating trading opportunity. The stock was overbought. You didn't need to be an expert in looking at charts. When you looked at your daily charts, completely overbought, not at sustainable levels for the short term. Plenty of opportunity to short it many days early before it truly had the see it moment, before the trade truly hit you between the eyes. Many moments to force trades, many moments to draw down too much, many moments to frustrate yourself shorting tops or what you thought were tops, many moments to lose too much money, many moments if you forced it and you just didn't sit and be patient and wait. And as I said, when you go back and study these opportunities, almost always the opportunity, the true entry is crystal clear. And you can see right here, we're showing you, again, the trade hits you right between the eyes. Again, there's a double bottom put in. There's lots of sideways motion. It does something it had not done many prior days. You know it's overextended. It finally clearly shows you a breakdown. It trades below a clear low that's been put in, and it does so that in a way that it hadn't done this for days before. The point of this is not really to study this particular entry. We'll do that with a lot of our mentoring sessions in S&B Inside Access. Jeff Holden will do that. A lot of our pro traders from our desk will walk through. We may do that in my session called the Playbook, where we'll go over a trade like this in specific detail. The point of it is the big lesson that you ought to take away, which is the true trade's going to come. Just wait for it. And you can see again, here's the true entry. Gets below the double bottom. On the right, you can see finally the dislocation that Mr. starts to trade from Bitcoin, from spot Bitcoin. Mr.'s not going back up. Bitcoin is going back up, showing strength again. Mr.'s not showing that. There's a dislocation here between the underlying price of Bitcoin and this Bitcoin-related stock, and it gets below the double bottom, and you smack into it. Okay, let's review the 5 trading lessons you learned in this video. Trading lesson number 1, your best day ever is the result of the consistent, effective work you did prior. Trading lesson number 2, obsess on how you could have done even better. Trading lesson number 3, trading culture matters. Trading lesson number 4, building from your best day ever is you being on the right path. Trading lesson number 5, let the trade hit you right between the eyes again. Appreciate all of you joining us here today. Take a moment, if you will, please share in the comments section what trading lessons you've learned on your best trading day ever. From all of us at S&B, train and trade well.
So you're an active trader, not doing as well as you want, not doing as well as you deserve, and you just can't figure out why you can't become profitable no matter how hard you try. Well, let me show you why. This is your competition. The traders in this room. This room right here is full of elite traders, some of whom are making 7 and even 8 figures a year. In fact, our top guys have made nearly 20 million each in net trading profits in a single year. Let's head to my office so I can share more. So you're probably used to seeing videos of lavish trader lifestyles, trading gurus trading off of a laptop for an hour a day, heck, maybe even 15 minutes a day, and then them relaxing on some secluded beach for the rest of the day. Well, all I can tell you is that our traders train like pro athletes. They live and breathe the markets and are continually working on their trading skills. Because at our firm, that's what we found it really takes to make it in this game. I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder and managing partner of S&B Capital, one of the world's top proprietary trading firms located in Midtown Manhattan. And we're always looking for trading talent to hire and develop. And not just to trade in-house on our desk, but also to trade from their own home, entirely using our firm's capital. And we have numerous traders doing just that, allowing them to make upwards of 7 figures trading the firm's capital without risking their own money. But to even get a shot at something like that, you need to have the right training.
That's why we're doing a new free online presentation in which we share how you can get an interview with S&B to become an in-house or remote trader, trading firm capital without risking yours and gaining access to all of our firm's coaching and resources. And the best part, you don't have to be a profitable trader yet. In fact, we prefer to mold profitable traders with our methods and our techniques. That's why we have just 3 simple criteria that can earn anyone an interview. We're looking for highly ambitious and determined traders who fit our culture first and foremost. So if you believe that could be you, sign up for the free 1-hour online presentation by clicking the link that's in your top right corner of your screen now.